Hello everyone, this is part 2 of the baptism arrangement, and if y'all saw part 1, y'all remembered that these beautiful vases, I got them at Ross. They were reduced. I love the design. I didn't want to paint them afterwards, but that was my idea, was to spray paint them white, and they came out beautiful. So you can just I bought the spray paint at Walmart. Then I got these little, they're from the pots that you, the bottom pots that you can get these at Hobby Lobby. And they're the little plates that go on the bottom of the pots. And I went ahead and put a block of foam on this vase because, it was pretty long. And then I went ahead and put another foam. And it stayed really sturdy in there. And then on this other plate, it looks beautiful. Once I painted it, spray painted it also, I went ahead and glued a block of foam with the glue gun. Then I went ahead and put some more glue gun on the top, and that's where my little cross the cross will go. And these crosses, you can find them at Hobby Lobby in the wood department. I just got some and I spray painted them white, and then I found these little round things also there in the craft department. But you can make any design you want, and this